To address the Electrolux washer E53 error code 2025, it is essential to understand what this error code signifies and the steps required to resolve the issue. The E53 error code typically indicates a problem with the washer's electronic control board or a communication error between the control board and other components. First, ensure you have consulted the user manual for specific instructions related to error codes, as the steps may vary slightly depending on the model of your Electrolux washer. If the error code persists after referring to the manual, proceed with the troubleshooting steps. Start by checking the power supply to the washer, ensuring it is properly plugged in and that there are no issues with the electrical outlet. Next, verify that the washer is properly installed and leveled, as improper installation can lead to various operational issues. Reset the washer by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting for about 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This simple reset can sometimes resolve communication errors or minor glitches in the control board. If the error code persists, inspect the wiring and connections between the control board and other components for any signs of damage or wear. Ensure all connections are secure and not loose, as this can cause communication errors. In some cases, the E53 error code may require professional assistance, especially if it is related to a faulty control board or other complex issues. Contacting an authorized Electrolux service provider can provide a definitive diagnosis and the necessary repairs to get your washer operational again. Preventative maintenance, such as regular cleaning of the washer's filters and ensuring proper use, can help minimize the occurrence of error codes. Always refer to the user manual for specific maintenance recommendations tailored to your Electrolux washer model. By following these steps and maintaining your washer according to the manufacturer's guidelines, you can efficiently troubleshoot and potentially resolve the E53 error code 2025, ensuring your Electrolux washer operates smoothly and efficiently.